Alright, so I'm going to go over a brief little rundown on how to operate a Pro 2.0 from R&S Laser Technology. First we're going to start off with the remote right here. So you got most of your controls are right here on the remote. Your arrows are going to be movement, front and back are going to be your forward and back arrows. Left and right, left and right. That part's pretty easy. And then up here at the top, you're going to have your blow, your follow, your shutter, your aiming. A lot of these remotes are just general remotes, so they operate multiple machines. So they have general buttons on here that these machines won't be using. But your blow, that'll test your air or clear out your lines. So if you hit blow, triggers your air. It's a toggle button, so hit it on, hit it off to stop it. You got your start, your pause. Start's going to start a cut for you. Pause is going to pause the cut mid-cut. And then dry cut, you can run a cut without the laser coming on, and it's just going to kind of move around where it's going to cut, so you can see what it's going to do. And then stop's going to stop everything wherever it's at. Blow, follow you don't use. Shutter is going to be your laser pointer. So right there, you see I clicked it, we got our laser on, and then we can move it around to wherever we want it, get it set up, and then once we're ready to cut, we know where it's going to be. We'll leave it on for now. Aiming doesn't actually do anything with the max laser, so our shutter is our aiming, is what we use. Aiming would be on some machines, aiming is your laser pointer as well, but for us, shutter is going to be our pointer. Main thing is, when you go to use your shutter, once you're ready to cut, always turn it off first. So you can leave it on, we can leave it on for now. Since I'm just showing you, I'm not going to do any cuts. Not really going to need any of these. So now, one thing, like I was saying, is you got to turn it off before you make a cut, because the laser will not fire when the shutter is on. So if you turn the shutter on and then hit your laser, you'll now see that we can fire the laser. But with the shutter on, we won't be able to do that. It's because there's actually a lens in there that's closing and it's blocking the laser. So now moving on, we got some presets. You can preset them inside the program. Edge seek, you can seek the edge of the material. And then this is your FN, which would be like, let's say you wanted the 0 piece, you would have to hit FN and then 0. Basically it's like a shift button. These W's and the Z is for your up and down. So it goes up and down. That's your Z axis, your head height. And then frame. So if you have a design set up, it'll frame out the design. So if you hit it, I don't have anything loaded right now, so I'll redo that, or I'll show that in a minute when I'm actually showing the programming. But when you hit frame, like let's say you have a 4x8 piece, 4" by 8"